This dance is called Blue Skies Over Georgia. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, low intermediate level line dance with one restart. Starting on the right foot into a weave. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step left to the side, right behind left, left to the side. Add on a heel, ball, cross, heel, ball, cross. Hinge half turns, quarter turn left, stepping the right back, quarter turn left, stepping the left to the side. Cross the right over the left, left to the side, and another heel, ball, cross, heel, ball, cross. That set of steps once more then. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross. Turn, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross. So yes, there are quite a few hand counts in this dance. Step the right to the side. You're going to cross rock, but behind the right. So the left crosses back, behind the right, recover. Into a hinge half turn. So you're going to turn a quarter right as you step back on that left, quarter right as you step the right to the side. Point the left to the side. Make a quarter turn left as you effectively step down on that left foot. Into a jazz box with a cross. Cross right over left, left back, right to the side, cross left over right. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, make 1/8 of a turn left as you step your right forward. So you should hopefully now be facing 7:30. That set of steps once more then. Side into that cross back rock. Off on the right. 7, 8. Side. Back rock. Turn, turn, point. Turn. Cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, step. So hopefully you're facing 7:30. Let's add those two sections together. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross. Turn, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross. Side, back, rock, turn, turn, point. Turn, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, step. Into a chase half turn. So we step forward on the left, pivot half a turn right, step forward on the left. You're now going to make 1.5 turns. So you're going to do a full turn to start with, over 2 steps. Now if you don't wish to do this full turn, just walk forward, right and left. Otherwise it's half a turn left as you step back on that right, half a turn left as you step forward on the left. Then you add on another half a turn left as you step back on that right. Into a coaster step, back close step, and a mambo cross. Now when you do this mambo cross, the first step you are going to turn yourself 1/8 of a turn to the left as you square yourself back up to the back wall. Side, rock, cross. That set of steps once more then. Chase half turn off on the left. 7, 8. Step, pivot, step. Full turn, turn. Coaster, step. Mambo, cross. Now I will demonstrate that full turn element of that set of steps whilst we're actually doing the walkthrough. I'll actually be doing the non-turning walk-walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. So let's add that section onto the top. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, point, turn, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, step, step, pivot, step, full, turn, turn, coaster, step, mambo, cross. So hopefully we're all facing the back wall. You're now going to go into a spiral turn, 3/4 of a turn to the right. So you're going to step the left to the side, spiral yourself 3/4 of a turn to the right, so you'll end up facing 3 o'clock. Really hard to do spirals in slow motion. Shuffle forward on the right, rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right, step back on the left. Into a coaster cross, step the left to the side. End of dance, you're ready to start all over again. So that's a set of steps once more then. Stepping to left into that spiral 3/4. 7, 8, spiral, right shuffle, forward rock, back, coaster, cross side. Now it is a 3/4 spiral turn. If you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, instead of stepping to the side when you're going into that spiral, turn a 1/4 turn to the left and just pause, and then you can start off with your right shuffle. So 1/4 turn, hold, and then shuffle forward and join in with everybody else. Non-turning steps should you need to take that spiral out. So let's put it all together. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, point, turn, cross, back, side, rock, step, step, pivot, step, full, turn, turn, coaster, step, mambo, cross, spiral, right shuffle, forward rock, back, coaster, cross, side. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Weaving to the left, off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing. So that spiral is 2 and. So you effectively step into the side on 2, spiral and straight into the right shuffle step. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Weave into the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, point, turn, cross, back, side, rock, step, step, pivot, step, full, turn, turn, back, coaster, step, mambo, cross, spiral, right shuffle, forward rock, back, coaster, cross, and cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, point, turn, cross, back, side, rock, step, step, pivot, step, full, turn, turn, coaster, step, mambo, cross, spiral, right shuffle, forward rock, back, coaster, cross and cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, point, turn, cross, back, side, rock, step, step, pivot, step, full, turn, turn, coaster, step, mambo, cross, spiral, right shuffle, forward rock, back, coaster, cross and so that's your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 6, which is your 3 o'clock wall, after 16 and counts. So effectively halfway through the dance. So it's just before you start going into your diagonal steps. You'll have done your jazz box cross, you do the side rock, you don't do the step forward making that turn, that is your restart point. 16 and counts. Wall 6, take you up to that point, restart the dance. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, point, turn, cross, back, side, rock, restart, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross. So hopefully you can see where that restart fits in. Wall 6 after 16 and counts. So that's it, that's your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross. Turn, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross. Side, back, rock, turn, turn, point. Turn, cross, back, side, rock, step. Step, mid, step. Full, turn, turn, coaster, step. Mambo, cross, spiral, right shuffle. Forward rock, back. Coaster, cross and cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, back, side, rock, step, heel, step, full, turn, coaster, step, mambo, cross, spiral, right shuffle, forward rock, back, coaster, cross, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, back, rock, turn, point, turn, cross, back, side, rock, step, heel, step, full, turn, coaster, step, mambo, cross, spiral, right, shuffle, forward rock, back, coaster, cross, and cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, turn, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, back, rock, turn, point, turn, cross, side, rock, step, heel, step, full, turn, coaster, step, mambo, cross, spiral, right, shuffle, forward rock, back, coaster, cross, and weave. Side,
moss green in Tennessee. Yes, there's
Chase.
blue skies over Georgia, and it
Spiral.
just keeps getting bluer every day.
Weave. Should restart wall. Side back rock. Restart, weave.
Skies over Georgia, and it just keeps getting bluer every day. Yes, there blue skies over Georgia, and it just keeps getting bluer every day.
Hope you managed that one.